Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, which means it's Sunday dinner with Robin, and I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, I prepared a wonderful soup, quick and spicy shrimp soup. I sent the photo of this to a friend of mine, and he goes, "Oh, it looks hot." I'm like, "Nope. Very little heat, but lots of spice." The combination of spices and chiles that I used in this soup is most excellent. This is a very flavorful and in-depth of flavor. It was just excellent. This is a repeatable recipe. All the notes are in the recipe of what I used. So check it out. It's very, very good. All right, back to Sunday dinner. I've been meaning to say something all week long. Robin chose the very close second to last week's question. What would you pick for Sunday dinner out of a list? The second was egg Foo Young, because Robin chose taco salad last week, which was way up, yeah. So yes, it's egg Foo Young tonight. This is a fun meal. It's a lot of prep, but it's fun prep. It's all vegetable prep. One of the options that's in this recipe is cooked chicken. Robin and I, over the last few years that I've been making egg Foo Young, I have never put in cooked chicken. But that is an option. All right, let's get to it. And all I need for hardware for the cooking portion is a non-stick fry pan and a small saucepan. Eggs, sauce. That's it. All right, software. Eggs. Got to have eggs for egg Foo Young. I'll use about half of this red bell pepper. I'll dice it. Mushrooms, diced. Everything's diced. So mushrooms, celery, green onions, yellow onion, bean sprouts. Part of the eggs is white pepper ground and kosher salt. The sauce, this is what really makes this. Chicken stock, sesame oil, soy sauce. I've switched back over to the kikkoman instead of my usual because this is what I have always used in this sauce. Rice vinegar, brown sugar, some neutral oil, a little bit of water, and some cornstarch for thickening. So here's all the software for tonight's egg Foo Young. So that's what's going on tonight. Robin's choice. Matter of fact, she let me know before dinner was over last week. All right. So what are you doing for Sunday dinner? Let me know. Okay. I woke up just a little while ago. So on this Sunday, the weather's supposed to be okay. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.